This is our dispenser. We routinely use, usually well and plate. Use more. These two are used more. This is called pit pies. This is called a plate type. The well type is divided into two types. Here it is. 500 type D type. D-type wine spear corresponds to D-type dispenser. S-shaped wine spear corresponds to S-shaped dispenser, also called pit. Let's install it. Bring up the dispenser to correspond to the wine spear. After equivalence, press it down and tighten it. The same goes for the D-shaped one. Press down corresponding to the positioning teeth. Type A is also called plate type. Type A distributor is also called plate distributor. Type A distributor, it is divided into high and low styles. After I install it, not high enough. The wine pipe cannot be connected. We use this. It doesn't matter if the height is not enough. Out sideways. This is more convenient. Type A dispensers are divided into two types. One is with exhaust. This is a safety valve. When our pressure exceeds 5 kilograms, it vents itself, or we can exhaust manually. This one has no exhaust. There are two styles with exhaust, without exhaust. Short, tall. In stainless steel. Or Type A. The distributor corresponds to 3 slots. T-shaped dispenser corresponds to T-shaped wine spear. Align and press. Press in place and rotate. Rotate clockwise. It's the same when you take it off. Rotate counterclockwise and take it off. G-type distributor installation. The dispenser corresponds to the G-shaped wine spear. It's better to press it down. Rotate clockwise after pressing. Loosen the handle when taking it out. Press tightly after loosening. Rotate counterclockwise. Okay, take it off.